Hello, Kristen. Thank you so much for joining us in the webinar about the Tulare County multi-site implementation. I just wanted to address your question. First of all, thank you for asking it. Would your question of would love to see our the workflow plan and questions for that 2-day discovery workshop. So although I can't give you every little bit of what we've done from a discovery perspective, I will tell you the main focus for those discoveries are first really around starting first with going through each site and capturing all the different functionality. So that being more of a hands-on, but the biggest and most important part too of going through each one and identifying all those needs is also just talking about the purpose of each site, the purpose of all the main primary funnels that you're getting people to. So for example, one of the sites was all about like from a like a was all about like pet adoption and things like that. It's like, well, what are the one, two, or three things that someone needs to do on this site? What is that? And really narrowing it down. And the reason for having only a couple is because if there's a lot more, then generally we should be thinking about maybe other solutions because too many things in one site is just way too hard to find. So really solidifying the purpose for every site, what that feature and functionality needs to be, and keeping the site simple. So that's really even though we have different exercises and workshops that we do to draw that information out in the discoveries, that is the main gist, though, of what we're trying to accomplish. So I hope that helps. As always, feel free to email me at josh@hounder.co, and I'd be happy to even provide more info or even hop on a call with you sometime, and I could even show some slides and things like that that we use. All right. Well, Kristen, thank you again. Thanks for joining. Thanks for engaging and asking questions. And hey, hope to talk to you again soon. Have a good one.